I'm going to try something, see how clever we can get, and maybe we can use the plywood over here to create our inserts. So let's see. We'll move these to a new collection called Inserts. And pull them exclusively. Nope, don't want to do that yet. So let's just take the ones that are actually inserts. Okay, there we go. Those are all our inserts. Let's just take a look here. We can turn the normals to the outside. And I think we could just put tops and bottoms on all of them like that. And there we go. They're all going to need, oh no, what is this? Leftovers. They'll need new textures to make them inserts, and we'll put a slight modifier on them when we render. So now we just have to do our research color-wise and figure out what these are supposed to be. So let's add some reference images. Okay. A few reference images, and let's just get started. Okay, yellow, not see-through. Let's create that. So we're going to grab those. We'll create a new material. It's going to go to these. Alright, now this is always a little tricky. Figure out exactly how these are made and what kind of material we should use. Something like that. We're going to use some subsurface scattering, so add a little of that. And then to test all of these, I'm going to add a light. See what we think. Obviously it's too bright. So we can mess with that. Let's use nodes to mess with that. And let's make an incandescent bulb. There we go. I think for a lit insert that looks fine for now. Probably still a little bit on the bright side. Or maybe it's too large. I bet that's too big. Okay, then in fast motion, I'm going to set up materials for the other inserts and see what we get.